Hi guys, today I've got 6 very quick, very easy hairstyles that were going to be perfect for the Christmas party season. And they can all be done in just a few minutes. Starting off, we've got an easy, messy chignon bun. To start, pop a loose curl through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. I've just used my straighteners and I'm alternating the way I curl the hair every time I take a new section for more volume. Once everything is curled, I'm going to take some volume powder and just apply it at the roots around the crown area. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now we're going to divide off the crown and I'm going to drag my fingers down to the base of the neck, so the section will be wider at the top and coming in slimmer at the bottom. Then just pop this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. So moving on to the right hand side, I'm going to take all of the hair, leaving a little bit out to frame the face, and I'm going to bring this around to the back of the neck and create the same loop. We want this to sit to the right hand side of the first one, about an inch or so higher. So create your ponytail, pull it part way through to create your loop, and then just repeat on the left hand side, so leave your hair out to frame the face and then create another loop to the left hand side of that middle one, slightly higher. So you should have 3 loops altogether. Apply some wax spray to the top of the head and then pinch and pull at the hair for more texture and volume. Now taking the right loop, I'm going to pop a couple of fingers all the way through the centre, and with those fingers I'm going to grab that middle loop. So grab the whole loop and pull it all the way through. Then repeat on the left side, so pop your fingers through the middle of the left loop, grab that middle loop and pull it all the way through that left loop. Hold everything to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Then apply some texture spray all over your chignon bun, and then using your fingers, pinch and pull each loop and twist for some more texture and volume. This also helps hide any elastic bands. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 2. This one's great if you're really stretched for time because this one can be done in under 1 minute. It's a low chignon hairstyle. To start, I'm going to leave out some hair on both sides of the face and then just gather the rest up into a low ponytail. Next, take a clear elastic band and just pop this about halfway down the ponytail. Then create a hole from the top elastic to the bottom elastic and poke your fingers through. Pass your ends to your fingers and pull them all the way through that hole to create twisted sections on the side. Now all we're simply going to do is wrap that ponytail around the elastic band as many times as your hair will allow, tucking the ends underneath. Then just grab 1/2 of that twisted section and bring it over to the opposite side. Simply hold in place to the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside of your chignon bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. I love how elegant this one is, and the fact that it only takes 1 minute makes it even better. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 3, I've got this really easy, high messy bun. Again, can be done in just a few minutes. To start, we're going to sweep all of the hair up onto the top of the head and secure it with an elastic band into a high ponytail. I've left some hair out to frame the face. Then I'm going to take a bun donut and tie an elastic band around the middle so it makes a figure of 8 shape. So you've got 2 holes instead of 1. And I'm simply going to split that ponytail in half and pull each half of the ponytail through each one of those openings in the hair donut. So once you've pulled both sides of that ponytail through the padding, just hold it to the head and secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins along the back and front of that padding. Next, take each side of that ponytail, bring it forward to the front of the hairline and secure it together with a clear elastic band. Then I'm going to take each side and just swap them over so they're crossing over each other, again to make a sort of figure of 8 shape. So you should have a little hole at the front, and then we're just going to stretch that hole all the way over to the back of that hair padding. And then the next step is really simple. We're just going to pinch and pull at the hair to cover all of that padding so you can't see it, and just secure it in place with a couple of bobby pins so it doesn't slip about. So do this at the front and repeat on the back. So spread out the hair and secure it with some pins. And with the tail ends, I'm just going to tuck them underneath that hair donut and again secure them with as many bobby pins as needed. And that's another easy hairstyle complete. Here's the finished look. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, it would mean the world to me if you'd hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 new videos per week. Okay, moving on to the next hairstyle. I've got the perfect messy bun, and again this one takes just minutes to complete. To start, I'm going to leave some hair out to frame the face and clip this out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. Next, divide the hair straight across from about the end of the eyebrow height. And we're going to pop this into a ponytail using an elastic band. But on the last turn, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a loop. Next, we're going to divide off a section of hair from just behind the right hand ear to the middle of the back of the head. And again, we're going to create another ponytail and pull it part way through on the last turn to create another loop. Then take the same size section on the left hand side. Create your ponytail, pulling it halfway through to create another loop. And then with the rest of the hair, we're just going to pull that up a little bit to the middle of the back of the ears and create one last loop. So you should have 4 loops altogether. I'm going to take the top loop and put a couple of fingers right through the centre. Then I'm going to grab that bottom loop, pass it to my fingers and pull it all the way through. Hold both these loops to the head and secure all the way around the outside of both the loops with as many bobby pins as needed. Then pop a couple of fingers through the loop on the right hand side. Grab that remaining loop on the left hand side, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Again, secure at both sides with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture and volume. And then lastly, we're just going to take our fingers and pinch and pull every loop and twist of that bun to create more texture. You can leave the ends hanging out if you like, or you can wrap them around a bobby pin and tuck them under the bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying my tutorials. Moving on to the 5th hairstyle, I've got a really quick and easy half up, half down hairstyle for you. I've started with curly hair, but this works just as good on straight hair. Starting on the right hand side, leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face, then divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. And we're going to pull this straight back and add an elastic band about an inch away from the head. Then make a hole above that elastic band and flip those ends through the hole so you create a couple of twists. Next, add some texture powder over those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each one of those twists to create more texture and volume. Bring this to the back of the head and secure with a bobby pin or two. And we're going to repeat on the left hand side, so leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Take a section of hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. Pull this straight back and add your elastic band about an inch away from the head. Create a hole above that elastic band with your fingers and then flip those tail ends all the way through that hole to create a twist. Add some more texture spray all over your twists and pinch and pull them apart. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, please hit that subscribe button below. Bring this to the back of the head, lift up the first twist and just tuck that little elastic band underneath and secure with a couple more bobby pins. And here is what this easy half up half down hairstyle looks like. I must admit this is one of my favourites because it's so quick and easy. And then last but not least, moving on to hairstyle number 6, I've got this beautiful low knotted chignon bun. To start, I'm going to divide the hair at the nape of the neck into 3 equal sections. Then pop each of these sections into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. So you should have 3 ponytails all in a row. Next, I'm going to apply some texture powder to the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then pinch and pull all of the hair above those elastic bands for more texture and volume. Now, taking the middle and right hand ponytail, I'm simply going to tie these in a knot as if I was tying my shoelaces. So pull the ends tight until it meets the head and then secure around that knot with as many bobby pins as needed. And then I'm going to take the left hand ponytail and the one in the middle again and repeat the same knot. So pull it nice and tight so it sits close to the nape of the neck and secure all around that knot with a few bobby pins. Now you should have 3 tail ends, so I'm going to start with this one in the middle and I'm just going to pop a bobby pin onto the end about an inch away from the end, and I'm just going to roll this up towards the bun and slide it in so you create another loop. And then repeat on the left hand side, so slip your bobby pin near the end of the section, give it a little twist and pop it into the bun. And we're going to do this for the last section. So just slip your bobby pin near the end, roll it up towards that bun and use it to fill in any gaps, and then just slide it into the hair. If you have any little tail ends left over, use the same method, so slip a bobby pin on the end and just roll it up towards the bun and tuck it in. Then just spend a minute or so pinching and pulling every loop and twist of this hairstyle to make it as messy or as neat as you like. And it really is that easy. Here's the last look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favourite hairstyle.